In this quick video guide, we're going to see how we can download and install an Autodesk product that we can find on the web. In this case, I've chosen 3ds Max, and we're going to see how we can download it and install it using Flex and basically using tokens, which are like digital coins that we can spend, and we can use the software only on specific days of the year. So it's going to last for 1 year, and we can access whenever we want, and every time we access, we actually consume these tokens. So all we need to do is go into Autodesk. I'm using 3ds Max, but it's basically the same for any other product. So you choose the one you want, and well, you need to first create an account, and then you buy the tokens package that you want, and then you access your own area, and from here you find the installation panel right here. So it's really easy. Just go inside Autodesk, choose the product that you want, choose which flex you want and how many tokens. You can also do a calculation, and once you do that, you have an account, you have an email, you have a password. That's all you need to do the following, which is selecting the version, selecting the operating system, selecting the language. You can directly download, you can do a custom install, or if you want to do the easiest thing, the quickest thing, just click on the black button here and just install. And that's all you need to do. So right here, you choose where you want to save the installation file, which is going to be doing everything for you. So you just need to download this X file here, exe, and that's the one that is going to go and download and install. It's going to do everything for you, as I just said. So let's double click on that downloaded installer file or installer software, and there we go. It's opening up, it's unpacking. Once it's unpacked, it's going to run this little panel that is going to appear on your desktop, and that's where you're going to see that you're going with the installation. There you go. So you can choose a folder. I'm gonna stick with the default one, but you can also do another one. And here you can select additional components if you want to install them or not, and then click on install, and there you go. Now it's gonna be really slow because it's not only installing, it's downloading and installing. So after a while, about 88%, you're gonna have the permission here to start. So you don't need to wait until the end. While it still downloads the packages, you can already open it up. And here you need to access. You don't have probably a serial or a natural license, but if you use the tokens and the flags, you go for with the name, with your username and your password that you've used when you bought the tokens, and that's all you need to do. So you are now logged in, and you can use these tokens however you want, whenever you want. You have 1 year to use them, and you can buy more if you need more. So you don't need to like buy the entire year or an entire month. Let's say that you use this only once a month, you can definitely go for the tokens. Now you can check the video course in 3ds Max in the channel, so just search for it, and also Substance, because now 3ds Max it's also supporting Substance, so you can check our Substance video course, and also subscribe to the channel to stay updated for more videos, for more guides, for more video courses on 3ds Max, Autodesk products, and etc. etc. You can join the channel if you want to support us and thank us. So this will be all. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video guide.